What's up, everybody? Comics Remix exclusive interview. Wade Wilson, Jimmy P, Marvel Comics, big name.
DC.
Yeah, in DC, but
Yeah,
I mean, I like
we're going to teach him by the end of this
I like it better with your Punisher.
All right. It's all good, buddy. It's all good.
So, for those that don't know, just
Okay.
give me a little background, who you are and the stuff you've done.
Well, I started in the industry as an inker. A lot of Marvel Comics, a lot of DC. Then I started self-publishing with Joe Quesada. We did Ash, Painkiller Jane. Went over to Marvel Knights. We created Marvel Knights, did Daredevil and Punisher and Inhumans, Black Panther, and then I started writing around 2001. Started doing more writing, and I've been writing everything from Punisher to Jonah Hex, and then video game, did the Punisher video game. Had a TV show called Painkiller Jane on Sci-Fi, a whole bunch of stuff. And now I do All-Star Western and a whole bunch of stuff for everybody. Work for everybody.
All around. Multi-talented there.
They got money, I take it from them.
All right. Doesn't.
There you go.
You're stupid not to, you know what I mean? Well, you pretty much answered my second question, which
Okay.
is, what you're currently working on. But we'll just skip right to it. Last question.
Okay.
There's something that you could tackle, the dream project.
Salma Hayek, I would love to tackle Salma Hayek on the beach.
I agree.
Right? It's Captain Obvious, right? All right, so
that was a good answer.
well, you know what? I think like a project, I've covered all the characters I liked already, so I would have to say I'd like to do my own stuff. Come up with my own characters and do more of that. Yeah, absolutely.
Sweet.
But I still would like to tackle Salma Hayek.
Oh,
Amanda would probably even be okay with it. So cameraman 1 agrees. Cameraman 2 is smiling like he just fantasized the whole thing and came back to us.
For those of you, Amanda Connor, another DC creator.
Yeah.
So, Jimmy, thank you very much.
Hey, it's a pleasure, man. It's a pleasure.
Wade Wilson, Jimmy P, Comics Remix. Take it easy, guys.